Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CTST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time. Frampton does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and definitely got a above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support and resistance to watch going forward. Really, the overarching level that really stands out to me can be measured in a couple of ways, but the point here and the principle that I'm trying to get across is that the price is slowly but surely grinding its way upwards. Now, what do I mean by grinding its way upwards? Well, like I said, to me, the most straightforward way to do that is just to get this trend line in place. And you go back through the history of things, and you can see this has done a great job of just showing kind of where these lows have been. And, moral of the story, really, to just summarize things, is that, assuming you care about the broader sense of things, meaning if you're some sort of day trader, for example, or scalper, flipper, whatever you call yourself, and you bought right there, then yeah, you probably don't care about this level. But assuming you have a bigger picture and just care about, the broad sense of it all, then as long as the price stays above that orange line there, the trend line, then the bulls are in full control, the chart's in full health. What do I mean? Well, let's say the price were to come down here and then go all the way up there and then come all the way back down here and then go all the way up there, come all the way back down there. Sure, the price keeps coming quote unquote all the way back down, but then when you match it up where the previous lows have been, you can see they just keep getting higher and higher. And that's how those, long-term uptrends are constructed. It's all about building higher bases. So yeah, you can have a lot of noise in the sense of pullbacks and stuff like that. Here's a great example of noise. The price did pull back, but within the grand scheme of things, put in a higher low, and all of a sudden actually hit a high higher than where it was right there before the pullback. So that's why those higher lows, that is what you want to see. Now going forward, as far as next potential areas of resistance, overarching one now to keep an eye on is going to be that pink line up there, which on my chart denotes the famous 200 period moving average, and that value is currently at 257. So keep an eye on that. But as of right now, resistances don't matter for all the reasons just discussed, because as long as the price just keeps on building higher lows, then given enough time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So build those higher bases and just sit back and let the trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.